Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Boult Audio BassBuds Q2 wired headphones. So let's take a look at the box and see if we've got any information on here. So we do have a little bit here. We've got extra bass apparently. We've got a built-in mic. We've got a 1-year warranty and built-in micro woofers, which is nice. So any other things over here? Nope, that's about it. So let's take a look inside the box. Let's keep that aside. Okay. We've got a little accessories box here. What's in here? Not much here. We've got, what is this? Okay, this is the 1-year warranty which was mentioned on the box, so let's keep that aside. So let's get the headphones out of the box. Anything else in there? No, so let's keep that aside. So here we have the Boult Audio BassBuds Q2, and as you can see they are foldable, which does make them a bit more compact, easier to carry around. We've got the inline controls here with the mic and what we can assume is the make and receive call button. It's quite tactile, feels quite clicky. And coming to the headset itself, we've got a kind of rubber foam on the headband for the comfort of users basically, and adjustable headbands, so it should easily fit people of different head sizes basically. And the cups themselves are pretty soft, not too soft, but they are on-ear cups, so they don't completely cover your ears. So even though the material is not exactly breathable, it shouldn't get too hot for over long periods of use. And do we have any buttons on the cups themselves? No, we do not. The mic itself is on the inline remote, as you saw earlier. We've got the Boult Audio branding on the cups, which actually looks quite nice. These are pretty good looking. And yeah, that's about it. And you've got a 3.5mm jack over here. So yeah, that's about it to the Boult Audio BassBuds Q2 wired headphones. Thanks for watching.